Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of compact fast chargers. We'll be taking a look at a versatile charger that promises to power up your phone, tablet, and even your laptop, all in a small package. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are key, and this charger certainly makes a good one. It's incredibly small, easily fitting in the palm of your hand, which is fantastic for travel. The build quality feels solid, it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. It's clear that the manufacturer has prioritized portability without sacrificing durability. Now, let's talk about the specs. This charger boasts fast charging capabilities, supporting various fast charging protocols for different devices. It features multiple ports, often including both USB-C and USB-A, allowing you to charge several devices simultaneously. The power output is also quite impressive, especially for its size. It should be powerful enough to charge most phones, tablets, and even some smaller laptops. Performance is what really matters, though. We put this charger to the test, charging a smartphone, a tablet, and a laptop. The phone charged quickly, as expected, reaching a full charge in a reasonable time. The tablet also charged efficiently, and we noticed a significant speed increase compared to using a standard charger. The laptop charged at a decent speed. It wasn't as fast as the laptop's dedicated charger, but it was still more than adequate for everyday use. One of the best features of this charger is its universal compatibility. It works with a wide range of devices from different brands. Whether you have an Android phone, an iPhone, an iPad, or a Windows laptop, this charger likely supports it. This versatility makes it an excellent, all-in-one solution for all your charging needs. Of course, no product is perfect. One potential downside is the price. High-quality compact fast chargers can sometimes be a bit more expensive than standard chargers. However, the convenience and performance often justify the cost. Another thing to consider is the heat. Fast charging can generate some heat, and we observed that this charger gets a little warm during use. However, it never became dangerously hot. Overall, this compact fast charger is a winner. Its small size, fast charging capabilities, universal compatibility, and solid build quality make it an excellent choice for anyone who needs a versatile and portable charging solution. If you're looking for a charger that can handle all your devices without taking up too much space, this one is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for travel, and great for decluttering your desk. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, fast, and compact charger, this is a great option. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of compact fast chargers. We'll be taking a look at a charger that promises to power up your phone, tablet, and even your laptop, all in a small package. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are key, right? This charger is impressively small. It's designed to be easily portable, fitting comfortably in your pocket or bag, which is a huge plus if you're always on the go. The build quality feels solid, it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. It has a sleek, modern design that should look great on any desk or outlet. Now, let's talk about the specs. This charger boasts fast charging capabilities, supporting multiple charging protocols. It should work with most of your devices. The input range is pretty standard, making it compatible with various power outlets. It typically features multiple ports, such as USB-C and USB-A, which is incredibly convenient. You can charge multiple devices simultaneously without needing multiple adapters. This is a real space saver. Performance is what really matters. I tested this charger with my phone, tablet, and laptop. It charged my phone incredibly quickly, as advertised. The charging speed was noticeably faster than my standard wall charger. My tablet also charged up quickly, and I was pleased to see that it supported the fast charging feature too. Even my laptop charged, although it took a bit longer than a dedicated laptop charger, which is expected. Overall, the charger performed admirably across all three devices. Let's talk about the pros. The compact size is a major advantage. It's incredibly convenient for travel or everyday use. The fast charging capabilities are a game changer, saving you a lot of time. The multiple ports offer excellent versatility, allowing you to charge multiple devices at once. The build quality feels robust, suggesting it will last. Of course, no product is perfect, so let's look at some potential cons. Depending on the specific model, the price might be slightly higher than some basic chargers. While it charges laptops, the speed might not be as fast as a dedicated charger. Also, the charging speed can vary, depending on the device and the charging protocol it supports. So, is this compact fast charger worth it? Absolutely. It's a fantastic, all-in-one solution for charging your devices. The compact size, fast charging capabilities, and multiple ports make it a winner. It's perfect for anyone who wants a portable and efficient charging solution. If you're tired of carrying around multiple chargers, or want something that charges your devices quickly, I highly recommend checking this one out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.